Hey there. Just wanted to show you how to go ahead and access the videos from this week. I apologize if you hear cartoons in the background because that's my daughter. Um, so for her assignments, you're going to click on Staff Students and it'll bring you to the dashboard. So for reading this week, you're going to click on Reading. And this is everything that's going to be due on Thursday. But let me bring you down to or it'll be due next Thursday. This is from this past week. So what's due today, the 21st, is she needs to read the Oregon Trail and Benchmark, and then she's going to click on Thursday, April 16th follow-up. And then it's going to load, hopefully. And you may have seen a screen that says that you have to, oh gosh, I'm thinking off the top of my head here, sorry, that you have to approve it or authorize it, that's the word. And it's going to be down here in the corner, and you're just going to click on that. All that means is that she is going to be able to receive assignments from me. So once you click authorize, it may ask you to hit yes again, and that's just confirming that you're allowing it. And then you're going to see this document. Down here, she's going to type in, based on the Oregon Trail, the answers to her questions. And then you can scroll down here to see all the questions that she needs to answer. And then when she's done, she's just going to click submit up here in the corner. And then it's going to go through to me. I'm going to get a notification on my phone, and then you're good to go for that. For math, over here in courses, I'm going to click on mathematics. And then this is this week's stuff, and there's a lot going on here, so please don't feel overwhelmed. But I really want her to focus on the stuff that is due for Wednesday. So she's going to watch Wednesday's video link. Let me click on that actually real fast. It's really important that she watches the video because that's going to explain to her how to do the problem set. And that's the lesson right there. So she'll watch the video, click next, and then she'll get this problem set. So there are a few options with the problem set. What I would like to happen is that you guys print this off and she does it either with an adult, preferably, or by herself. And then you can either take a picture of it and send it to me on Dojo. I'm going to go over here and click next. Or what I'd really prefer is that it says take a quiz. It's not a quiz. That's just the lingo that this program uses. She enter her answers here. So for example, on her paper, she would have already done the work. She would have circled the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 rows. So it's 5 rows of how many in each row? 3 equals how many in all? So 3, 6, 9, 12, 15 equals 15. And then she would go through all the questions and enter the answers there. And then when she's done with that, all the way here at the bottom, she would click submit quiz. I'm going to submit it anyway, just to show you what happens. And then it comes and it shows me, oh, hey, I got these answers right. And then these are the answers that I got incorrect, because it's a really good tool to show the kids what they got incorrect. And if I had typed in an answer here, it would show me what my answer was, and it shows me what the correct answer is. So it allows whoever's working with Lachey at home to be able to sit there and say, oh, you know what? This is what we messed up on. How do you think we would do it differently next time? And then there's one more thing for math that's due tomorrow, Wednesday at 2. I'll just click back on courses here in mathematics. The Wednesday discussion question. If I click here on Wednesday discussion, it's going to bring me to a question that she has to answer. And when she goes to respond, she's going to click here and reply. And she can either type it out. She can have an adult, because of her accommodation, sit with her and write it down for her, and she can type it out. She could also have an adult sit with her, discuss it with her, and then she can go over here to record and upload media. And it will allow her either to record a video or to record a voice recording. This sometimes takes forever and a day to upload, but it's really cool when it finally, you can record with a webcam, you can record just by voice. It's up to you. And then when she's done with that, she'll go down here and hit post reply, and that's going to show up under the video or under the replies here. So if you have any questions, I know that was a lot, so I'll go back for one quick second. Reading, It's still from last week. The stuff that's posted under week 3, that's going to be released for them to do to work today, and I'll go over that in class. Thursday, she's clicking on Thursday, April 16th follow-up after she's read the Oregon Trail from Benchmark. And then in math, she's completing anything that says Wednesday, week 3. So Wednesday video link, Wednesday problem set, answers here, Wednesday discussions. If you have any more questions, please just send me a dojo message. All right, talk to you later.